So hi guys, my name is Rishi and you are watching Gaming with Rishi Sudaria. Today I am gonna show you how to add sounds to your any video. Go to Play Store and search Video Shop. And it will look like this. Then you have to open. Then when it will open, then you have to click on this plus symbol and it will ask two options. You have to take video from your album or record. So I will take record. So then you have to click on this done here, and then you have to click on this sound. Click. Then you have to click on this. Then here are many options like tune, siren, screams, popular wine sounds, gun, fart, explosions, etc. So here is my gun video. So there are many options for your gun. So my pistol. Click here, done. Then you have to add where you see. You have to put properly where your gun sound is. So you can see the video. Here it is looking like a real gun sound. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and smash the like button. Bye.